In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use eBay authenticity guarantee feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So eBay's authenticity guarantee feature is a free service that verifies the legitimacy of high value items like sneakers, watches, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, this is a little watch. This is a watch that is a Submariner Date. And here you can simply go ahead and head down to message a specialist, which is going to be luxury watch specialist who can answer questions that you have about your next watch purchase. It is as simple as that. You can also go ahead and browse and keep an eye out for blue checkmark badge that reads authenticity guarantee on search results and the items page. Also, once you purchase an eligible item, the seller ships it directly to eBay's independent authenticators rather than you, and experts perform a multi-point physical inspection to ensure the item is authentic. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.